Dear friends, welcome to SmartMoney YouTube channel. We can say that the month of September is like an IPO season. We have already seen two IT companies, Happiest Mind Technologies Limited and Route Mobile Limited have already come up with their IPO. We have done a detailed analysis of both the IPOs, which you can watch by visiting our playlist. Now we have two SME IPOs, Advait Infratech IPO and Checkmark Consultancy IPO. In this video, we will discuss all you need to know about Advait Infratech IPO. Now let's quickly have a look at the difference between main board IPO and an SME IPO. SME IPO is basically for a small company. The paid up capital of a main board IPO should be minimum of rupees 10 crores, while minimum post-issue paid up capital of an SME IPO is 1 crore and the maximum limit is 25 crores. Minimum number of allottees should be 1000 in a main board IPO and minimum number of allottees should be 50 in a SME IPO. Main board IPO has stringent norms where SME IPO has relaxed norms. Main board IPO is regulated by SEBI while SME IPO is regulated by exchange, which is generally BSE. Minimum allotment for a main board IPO is between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees and minimum allotment for a SME IPO is rupees 1 lakh. So these are some of the difference between a main board IPO and a SME IPO. Before going ahead with the video, we would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you get the notification in your smartphone. And do not forget to like the video. Now let's have a look at the business of the company. The company Advait Infratech Ltd is into business of providing products and solutions for power transmission, power substation fields, telecommunication infrastructure. They operate with various verticals such as Turnkey Telecommunication Projects, installation of power transmission, substation and telecom products, liasioning-marketing and providing end-to-end solution for overseas customers in the field of power transmission and substation. So in a nutshell, the company is a product and solution provider for power transmission and telecommunication infrastructure. As we all know, power is one of the most critical components of infrastructure, crucial for economic growth, welfare of the nation. The existence and development of adequate infrastructure is essential for sustained growth of the economy. Transmission, an important element in the power delivery value chain, facilitates evacuation of power from generating stations and its delivery to load centers. For efficient dispersal of power to deficient regions, strengthening the transmission system network and enhancing the interstate power transmission system network are essential. So the company Advait Infratech Limited is a product and solution provider in one of the most critical components of infrastructure. So in terms of the industry, they have a lot to look forward. In this slide, you can see some of the products that the company makes, like carbon core conductors, stringing tools, optical fiber cable. And here you can see some of the services they offer: live line OPGW installation, then project consultancy, liaising and marketing, and optical fiber installation. Advait Infratech Limited is a company incorporated under Companies Act 1956, having its registered office in Ahmedabad. The promoters of the company are Mr. Shalin Sheth and Mrs. Rejal Sheth. Mr. Shalin Sheth owns 76% of the share pre-issue and Mrs. Rejal Sheth owns 22.99% of the shares. And Mr. Rahul Sheth owns 1% of the shares. So the promoter and the promoter group is currently having 99.99% stake in the company. Object of the issue: the company is going to raise 6.89 crores from this IPO. They're raising 4.25 crores for working capital requirement and the remaining fund is basically for general corporate purpose. And let's have a look at their financial summary. The company's share capital as of 31st December 2019 is 3 crores 75 lakhs and the net worth of the company is 20 crores 17 lakhs and profit after tax is 1 crore 30 lakhs. So you can see that the company's net profit has increased from financial year 2017 to financial year 2018. However, their profit has decreased in the financial year 2019 and they have a net profit of 1.3 crores as of 31st December 2019. The company also have a borrowing of 9 crores 76 lakhs as of 31st December 2019. This is the summary of financial information on a consolidated basis. And on a standalone basis, you can have a look at their financial numbers in this particular slide. They have a net profit of 4 crore 21 lakhs and their total borrowing is 3 crore 41 lakhs as of 31st December 2019. Lead managers to this issue is ISK Advisors Private Limited and registered to this issue is KFin Technologies Private Limited. Now the most important slide, that is the IPO details. The IPO is open for subscription from 15th of September to 18th of September. Issue size is 6.89 crores and the offer price of the IPO is 51 rupees. Minimum application is 2000 and the face value of the share is rupees 10 and the share is going to be listed in BSE SME. Now let's quickly have a look at the strength of the company and their business strategies. But before discussing the same, we would like to inform you that we have done a detailed video on how to apply for an IPO. If you have not watched the video, you can watch it by clicking the I button. Now the strength of the company, they have an existing client base. The company is providing products and solutions to major power utilities in India and abroad. So they already have an existing client base. Selective bidding with a focus on effective execution record. So the company has an experienced bidding team and an execution team that helps them to identify, to conduct extensive due diligence on project specific and client specific risk and uncertainties. They have a strong order book and financial position. They have experienced promoters and well-trained employee base. And lastly, optimal utilization of resources. The company constantly endeavors to improve their services and is willing to increase its procurement processes to optimize the utilization of resources. So these are the strengths of the company. Now the business strategies of the company capitalize on growing demand for power infrastructure in India. As we all know, electricity consumption is increasing day by day and is also very important for development of the nation. So the company would like to pursue opportunities to expand their presence in this industry. Improving technical capabilities and movement in supply chain. The company intends to continue to strengthen their technical capabilities to enable them to move up the value chain. They believe that will help them to identify and execute niche projects. Well-strategized growth plan. They have a well-strategized and focused growth plan. They are strengthening their management bandwidth with induction of senior and experienced people regularly. Improving functional efficiencies. The company intends to improve functional efficiencies to achieve cost reduction and thereby having a competitive edge over the peers. So these are some of the business strategies the company has adopted to expand their business. So in this video, we have discussed all you need to know about Advait Infratech Limited IPO. We would kindly request you to share this video so that more viewers can get a chance to know about the company. We would also like to request you to give us feedback through the comment section of the video. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.